Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your messenger's status is not being shown, then you are looking out steps to fix it. Today we are going to guide you exactly to the process. So let's just get started. So first thing, we need to go ahead and find the active status. Go to the messenger application for that and go ahead and access the messenger settings. So go over and look out for the menu option in the bottom right and select it. And from there, look out for the settings option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, scroll down or directly find the option for active status and tap on it. And ensure that this option is turned on. So you can tap on it to turn it on. And once it is turned on, that should probably fix the issue. Not going ahead and turning on this option will show other people that you are not active on Messenger. Apart from that, you can clear the device's cache or the application cache. So go to your device's app settings for that and scroll down and find the option for apps and tap on it. And once you tap on the apps, look out for the messenger application at the top. Select it and just go over and go to the storage section and tap on it. And just go over and look out for the clear cache option and clear the cached files. And then you can restart the application once again. If that step fails, then you can install and reinstall the messenger app. So head over and hold it up. Go to the info tab or look out for the install option and select it. After that, you can clear the cached files, and that should probably perform a clean installation once you reinstall the application. And go to your Messenger application. And the thing is, if you can't see your friend's status, go to one of your friends. Then they may also have turned your active status off, or they may have restricted you. That is also some of the reason that Messenger may not be showing active status, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up these steps in order to fix those issues. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.